Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your oven's light gasket. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's damaged or missing. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4-inch nut driver and a flathead screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using in this demonstration. It's a GE. Now keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So we need to go to the back of our oven, so we're going to turn it around. And we're going to have to remove this panel right here. Now we're going to open up our stove here. Now we're going to remove the light socket and the light with it. So we got to push our bail out of the way, and when you do that, make sure you hold onto the light lens right there, because the light lens isn't held on by anything else besides the bail. Then we can take the bail out. Now we can unscrew the light bulb here. And we're going to remove the 2 screws right here, holding the socket in place. And now we can pull the socket out. So on the back here, you'll see there's no gasket. There's actually supposed to be a little fiberglass gasket that goes on here. So grab your new OEM replacement gasket, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So you'll see there's a screw hole right there, and there'll be a notch on the gasket that you can line up with that hole, and push it straight down like so. And now we'll put our socket back into place, and that'll just slide right through, and then we'll line up our screw holes. And now we'll put the light bulb back in. And we'll set our bail back into place, like so. And now we can put the lens on and clip the bail up. Now I'm going to plug everything back in on the back here, starting with our light socket here. And now we'll put our cover panel back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.